Morning. So it's Thursday. This is my third day of posting. Yesterday I did a short, so yeah, but anyways, it's 9 a.m. I'm out. Just got an Instacart order that was pretty decent. Let me tell y'all, I've been online since 8 o'clock. I've had my app on. An order a while ago, $18, okay? 212 items. And guess how much the customer tipped? 0. Like, I know tipping is optional, but I don't understand the people who don't tip. I don't get it. Especially when you order a lot like that, or you live really far, okay? Like you live more than 10 miles from the store. I don't get it. But the order I accepted was for $32, I think. It's about 20 miles. I have a customer, there's two customers, excuse me. One has 17 items, one has 45. I've got some water and some cat litter in there, so let's get it done. So that was a tad brutal. I didn't record because it was a lot. I'm currently in McDonald's drive-thru because I rushed out the house and I didn't eat breakfast this morning and I'm feeling it. So gonna grab a sausage biscuit, and then customer one is just about 10 minutes away, and then we'll hit the highway and drop off the other one. Yesterday it was $2.69, I think. That is crazy. Well, that station still has $2.69. I think it's crazy the way they do that. One station is priced one thing and another station is priced something else. That's nuts. But $2.99. Okay, so I got the first one dropped off. I'm off to drop off the second one. I'm 20 minutes away. I'm thinking I'm going to take a break after this because I need to call the locksmith. My son's key broke in his ignition the other night, and he had called a locksmith, and they came out, and they basically keyed off the door. So when my son put the new key in the ignition, it wouldn't do anything because it's not meant for that, you know. And the key got stuck. He was at the grocery store. Long story short, I got it towed to the house, and we got the key out this morning. So now I need to call another locksmith and see if they'll come out to cut a new key, but also program it. Do the factory program on the key. So I'll probably go on and try to do that because they don't take calls after 3. And my son, he won't get off till 5, so I need to do it before he gets off. And tomorrow he works at 7:30, and I don't want to get up at 7:30 if I don't have to, which I usually get up, but I'm not out the door, you know, and I don't want to be out the door at 7 in the morning. So because I have not been sleeping for whatever reason since getting on like all my new medicines. I feel like I haven't slept. Does that make sense? It's like I lay down and I can't shut my brain off. Like I can hear everything around me, and I don't feel like I've slept. And this is like my third night feeling like that. I wear a Fitbit. I have a Fitbit. And it tells me I've slept. You know, it has your sleep stages and stuff. So I'm pretty much in light sleep all night long, or awake. There's a little bit of deep sleep, but not much. So I want to, I guess, get me something over the counter to see if it'll knock me out so I can, like, really sleep tonight. I started anti-anxiety medicine. Like, I'm just putting y'all all in my business, okay? I ain't got friends in real life, so y'all are my friends, y'all who watch this and talk to me and stuff. But anyways, so I was put on high blood pressure medicine, brand new diagnosis, at the beginning of the month. And then last week when I went to the doctor, she gave me something for my anxiety. And that knocks me out. Like, it makes me drowsy. First day I took it, I was like, oh my God, I don't need to be out here working. But I started taking it like late afternoon, thinking that would help me sleep. And it does. It knocks me out for a little bit, but then it's like I'm wide awake within like an hour or so. So I don't know. I'm just gonna see what I can find over the counter, and if I don't find anything, then when I go back next week, I'll see if she can give me something, because it's crazy. It's crazy. I feel tired. I'm on the struggle bus, I feel like, lately. But hey, this is life over 40, right? They say everything goes downhill after 40. Well, I'm 41 and I've held on until now, so yeah, I think I've done pretty well. Oh my God, it's so cold. Oh man. Okay, so it's 10:50. That came out to 32.62. Oh, and I'm frozen. I did not prepare for how cold it is. My car says it's 32. I literally just threw some clothes on, took my son to work. The order popped up, so I took it. So yeah, now we go 20 miles back to town. Alright, y'all, so it's 2:30. Like, I went home and made a peanut butter jelly sandwich and just collapsed on my bed and have been watching TV this whole time. I didn't go to sleep, but I really felt like I was about to fall asleep. So yeah, my little break turned into longer than normal break I wanted. So about to run in the dollar store, see if I can find some sleep aid medicine, and then we're gonna go to the Locksmith and see if we can get this key cut for my son. So see y'all in a minute. Okay, so this stuff is basically Benadryl.
I just heard that they're going out of business. Honestly,
I don't know what the Benadryl one.
company waved you goodbye a long time ago.
I think I want this one, the doxylamine, because you either get the active ingredient in Benadryl or there's another one. Both antihistamines. I don't know. Okay, my poor dog is out of dog food. So let's see what they have in here. They do have his kinds. Beneful. That's dog food. That's it. I'm out. So I really hope this locksmith lady knew what she was talking about, because I called her earlier when I got home and explained to her what the issue was. And she said I need to come to her. They didn't need to come out. So hopefully that's the case, because otherwise I'm gonna be pissed off. But then again, she said it was only gonna be $20. The other day when I called, it was gonna be $120, but there was more that I thought I needed. So apparently, like, this is his key, and he said the tip of it broke off, so it doesn't work anymore. So I'm hoping, what she says, bring what I have and they could cut it, and she's gonna tell me how to program it or whatever. We're gonna see. If it doesn't work, oh, I'm about to be mad. I will also get my money back, but I really hope she knew what she was talking about, because I really hope that this fixes it, because he goes to work at 7:30 in the morning, and and she said you all could remake the key for me.
What broke off?
It's supposed to be a tad longer, I think.
No, that's good.
Okay, well, it's not working for some reason.
What, the remote ain't, or the key?
No, the key isn't. It's
Does
for
it
a 2015 Chevy Malibu.
Really?
Yeah.
The
So
key, it won't turn at all?
Mm-mm.
Have you tried jiggling the steering wheel? Does that one work?
No, it's for my son's car, and he called a different locksmith. They came out, and this key he keyed off the door, so it definitely doesn't work in the ignition.
Right.
So that doesn't look broke to you?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
And that's I take it it's been wrecked or something?
I don't know. We just bought it from a car lot a couple months ago. This is the key they gave us. Right.
Key.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, the only thing we could do is come out and look at it and see what's going on.
Okay.
But it had been working?
Yeah.
Have you putting oil in it?
No.
Put some oil in it, and then
Okay.
take the key and just run it in and out real quick. And it's got the jam tumbler, it'll break it free.
Okay.
And if that don't work, just call us and we'll have to come out there and see what's going on.
Okay.
It probably has a jam tumbler, but
Okay.
by shooting some WD-40 or something like that in it, it should break it loose.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, okay. How do I get out of here? God. Okay, so I guess I should have tried to start the car myself. So back home I go. We're gonna try to start it, see what it does.